Hi, Andy here, the author of the Make Each Click Count book series and host of the Make Each Click Count podcast. Today's AMA question is a hot one, and it's something that e-commerce store owners really need to master if they want to compete, and I mean really compete, with the big players. The question is, how do you crush it using Google Ads custom labels and campaign segmentation? Let's break it down. First off, what are custom labels? Custom labels are fields in your Google Shopping product feed that let you tag products in whatever way makes sense for your business. Google gives you 5 to play with. Custom label 0 through custom label 4. These labels don't show up to customers. They're just for you to organize and control your campaigns more intelligently. Now, if you've read my 2022 book on Google Shopping, you'll remember the golden rule. Campaign structure is everything. If you just throw all your products into one campaign with a single ad group and hope for the best, that's like trying to run a restaurant where every dish is priced and marketed the same. Filet mignon and French fries get the same love. That's not going to work. And that's exactly where custom labels and campaign segmentation come into play. Let me walk you through some winning strategies. Strategy number 1, segment by profit margin. This one is a no-brainer. Tag your products using a custom label based on their profit margin, high, medium, low, however you define it internally. You could use custom label 0, high margin, custom label 0, medium margin, custom label 0, low margin. Why does this matter? Because it lets you separate products into different campaigns or ad groups and set different bids. You can afford to bid more on high margin products because there's more room for profitability. But with low margin items, you might need to be more conservative or even exclude them from paid campaigns entirely and just let them live in organic search. Strategy number 2, segment by bestsellers. I love this one. Your best-selling products are proven performers, right? They convert, they're popular, and they're usually easier to sell. Use a custom label to tag your top 10, 20, or 50 SKUs as bestseller or top 20. Then isolate those products into their own high-priority campaign where you give them more budget and tighter control. This is your revenue-driving campaign. Monitor it daily, optimize bids, search terms, and even adjust product images and titles specifically for these products. This becomes your elite squad. Strategy number 3, seasonality and promotional tags. Planning for Black Friday, back to school, summer clearance. Use a custom label to tag products by season or promotional event. I've had clients with seasonal product cycles, apparel, outdoor furniture, holiday decorations, you name it. With labels like custom label 1, holiday 2025, custom label 1, summer sale, you can pause, launch, or adjust entire campaigns on the fly based on the calendar. No more last-minute scrambling through feeds trying to update promotions or product status. It's already built in. Strategy number 4, inventory and product lifecycle. Here's one many sellers overlook, tagging based on product lifecycle. If you've got end-of-life products or overstock items you need to move fast, use a label like custom label 2, clearance. Then create a separate campaign or ad group where you set more aggressive bidding or promo text to blow through inventory. It helps manage product turnover and lets you treat clearance inventory differently from new arrivals or evergreen products. Strategy number 5, price buckets. Another smart tactic is tagging based on product price. Why? Because conversion behavior is very different on a $10 item versus a $1,000 item. You might use custom label 3, under 50, custom label 3, 50 to 200, custom label 3, over 200. Now you can fine-tune your bids, monitor ROI by price range, and identify which buckets perform best. Often I find clients lose money promoting low-cost items with CPCs that eat up all the margin. This strategy exposes that quickly. Okay, now that we've covered the custom labels, let's talk segmentation. Custom labels give you the framework. Campaign segmentation puts it into action. At a high level, I recommend most e-commerce accounts break their campaigns into 3 levels of priority. High priority for general non-branded search terms. Medium priority for product-specific category-level terms. Low priority for branded or SKU-level search terms. This is the priority funnel strategy I go deep on in my trainings. It works like this. You use campaign priorities along with negative keywords to direct traffic appropriately. Your high priority campaign catches broad traffic, but you add negatives to filter out terms that should go to the other tiers. Then within each campaign, you use custom labels to segment your product groups by margin, best sellers, or price buckets, whatever makes the most sense for your business. That's where the magic happens. Now, a common mistake I see is businesses overcomplicating their segmentation. Keep it simple and meaningful. Your labels should serve a clear purpose, whether it's optimizing performance, improving reporting, or enabling faster decisions. Here's a bonus tip. Always make sure your custom labels are managed dynamically. Use automated feed tools like Data FeedWatch or Feedonomics, or if you're comfortable with spreadsheets and rules, even Google Sheets and feed rules can get the job done. Finally, test, measure, optimize. Set up reporting in Google Ads or Looker Studio by custom label so you can evaluate how each segment performs. Ask yourself, are my best sellers outperforming others? Am I overspending on low-margin products? Which price tiers convert best? Those insights are what separate average accounts from elite ones. Look, at the end of the day, Google Ads isn't just about getting clicks. It's about getting profitable clicks. And using custom labels with smart segmentation is one of the best ways to do that. I've used these exact strategies for clients selling everything from handmade soaps to industrial-grade equipment, and they work again and again. If you have a question on online advertising or need more tips on e-commerce marketing, let me know on my YouTube channel, within the Make Each Click Count Facebook group, or send me an IM or email at info@makeeachclickcount.com, and I'd love to help. And until next time, happy marketing.